Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Likely. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you a shrimp scampi recipe from start to finish. I recently went out with some friends and we went to a restaurant and I ordered shrimp scampi and it was so delicious and I wanted to make it at home. So I'm going to show you an easy way to whip up some shrimp scampi at home. So I have cooking on the stove. Well, I have water boiling for my angel hair pasta. I'm just going to be using a boxed angel hair, and I'll probably use about a half of a box to 3/4 for this dish. I have fresh shrimp that I picked up. I'm going to be using a Vidalia onion, some garlic. I have some fresh tomatoes from the farm stand, a lemon, some shrimp scampi butter from the fish market where I picked up the shrimp. So I got a couple of those just to help me out with my sauce. I have some fresh shredded Parmesan cheese. The main ingredient here is something that I wanted to share with you. This is a zesty lemon infused olive oil, and this is from Cucina Aurora, and this is a website that I found. She has a YouTube channel, but her website is really cool. She makes these infused oils, and this one, like I said, is lemon. I got one other one that I haven't tried yet. I'm gonna make a recipe for you guys in an upcoming video, but this is lavender and orange infused olive oil. She lives in New Hampshire. She's based out of New Hampshire, and she also sends her products to different places. I'm not sure if there's one near you, but you can certainly check that out on her website, which I will link below. And she also has a shop that's not far from me, but she sells other things like tomato sauces and coffees, seasonal coffees. So anyway, I'm going to be using this lemon infused olive oil in my shrimp scampi. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cook my shrimp, then I'm going to make my sauce, then I'm going to mix in my pasta with my sauce and my shrimp, and we will be good to go. I have some chives that I'm going to chop up and put on top. So just going to get started and walk you through what I'm doing and then give it a taste test when I'm done. So let's get started. So my shrimp, I have a pound of shrimp, and as I said, I got this at my local market, and they have a fish market section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse them off, but I'm going to cut the tails off first. So the easiest way to cut the tail off is to just cut it off. I'm not going to be going for anything crazy. I'm just going to cut the tails off, make it easy on myself. Because there's nothing worse than digging into a shrimp dish and have to deal with the tail and rip it off, deal with it. So I'm just going to cut it off, and we're going to be able to just dig into our shrimp scampi. All right, now I'm going to get my butter. I'm not going to use this puck yet while I'm cooking the shrimps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a pat of butter, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this infused olive oil and garlic, and I'm going to cook my shrimp. And then when that's done cooking, I want it to be an opaque pinkish orange color, and then I'll know it's done. And then I'm going to set that aside, and then I'll work on my sauce. So let's get the shrimp cooking. All right, while that's heating up, I'm going to get my garlic cloves, and I'm going to mince them into the pan. Now, shrimp scampi is very garlicky, so I'm using 2 really good size cloves of garlic. So this would be like probably 3 or 4 smaller pieces of garlic. And my water is boiling for my pasta, so I will get my pasta in the pan pretty quickly. So I'm just going to use my garlic press, and I'm going to put this in after my shrimps. now I'm also going to salt and pepper my shrimp. I'm going to take my shrimps out of the pan. They're nice and opaque. I'm just going to put them in a covered bowl while I make my sauce. My pasta is cooking for 4 minutes. I did about a half a box, and I'm going to get my vegetables ready to go in to the same pan that I was cooking my shrimps. I am going to zest my lemon. Smells wonderful. All right, I'm going to clean up this little bit of garlic skin here. All right, so now I'm going to chop up my onion. I'm just going to take the ends off real quick here. All right, a Vidalia onion is a sweet onion. I love to use Vidalia onions in the summertime. So I'm just gonna give this some slices here. And that means my pasta's done. So what I'm gonna do is put my pasta into a drainer and let it sit while I make the rest of the scampi. And I'm also gonna save 1 cup of the pasta cooking water so that I can add that in when I'm mixing my pasta into my scampi sauce. Okay, pasta is draining. Continue chopping up my onions here. I'm just gonna give a rough chop. Okay, my lemon zest. Zest there. I'm gonna chop up my tomatoes, and I'm just gonna give them a rough chop as well. And I'm gonna use a different cutting board for my tomatoes. Fresh tomato season is here, and if you can get some fresh tomatoes and use that in your dishes, it's really gonna feel like summer, and that's exactly what I'm doing with this recipe here today. And again, just a rough chop. I don't want to take away them. I don't want them to disintegrate into nothing when they get cooked in the pan. All right, so I have my tomato all roughly chopped, so that's gonna go in last. So I'm just gonna set that aside for now. I have my onions. I'm gonna put my onions in with some of the olive oil. I'll add another dab of that, and I'm also gonna add in my 2 shrimp scampi flavored butter pucks. I'll get those start to melt with the olive oil, then we'll start the onion, and I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in there, and I'm also going to use like a half a cup of chicken stock. You can use a dry white wine, but My husband Bob doesn't like the taste of wine in his food, so I'm going to use chicken stock. You can use a fish stock, you can use a vegetable stock, or you could just use water. But I'm going to use chicken stock because you want something to have, you know, you want a sauce that's going to be able to handle the pasta and make it a nice, delicious scampi. So you need a liquid. So we're going with the chicken stock. All right, so I'm gonna cook my onions and get my butter in there and my oil, and we'll get cooking the sauce. Doing everything in the same pan that I cooked my shrimp, so I'm not going to add any more garlic. Plus that butter has garlic in it, so we're good with garlic. I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice after my onions cook, and I add in the tomatoes. I'll add in my onion. I'll add in my lemon and my lemon zest. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste to kind of give it a thickening agent, and when it reduces down just a little bit, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. Reduce my heat a little bit. You don't want it to cook up too quickly. I am letting it reduce down. Now you can add a little bit of red pepper if you want, if you like a little spice to your scampi. Bob doesn't like hot stuff, but just to give it a little taste, I'm going to add like 1 drop of this Cholula hot sauce. Just a tad, just a tiny drop. It's just going to give it that little bit of flavor. It's going to enhance all the other seasonings that are in here, which is just salt and pepper, basically. But just a tiny drop. And as that is starting to reduce down, I'm going to add in my tomatoes just for a minute or two. I'm going to add back in the shrimp, and then we'll mix in the pasta. Forgot, before I put the pasta in, I am going to put in a little bit of this Parmesan cheese just to give the sauce some creaminess. Not much, just probably a little bit of a handful I'll put in just to, like I said, give the sauce a little bit of creaminess. Now you could add in green peppers or red peppers or yellow peppers. I didn't add any peppers today, but you can add in whatever you want. You can put in some zucchini, some yellow squash, whatever you want to add in to make it your summer shrimp scampi. Now I'm going to add my pasta into my pan. All right, let's take some pasta and let's mix it in. I'm going to put my glasses on just so I can see see more perfectly what I'm doing here. And if I need some of that water that I cooked the pasta in, I will. There you have it. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna have some shrimp scampi, and I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. So come on over to the table. All right guys, I'm gonna give it a taste test. Bob's on the side of me. What do you think, babe? Is it good?
Real good.
I'll give it a taste with the shrimp, piece of shrimp, and some tomato and some pasta. Yeah, it does taste good, doesn't it?
Delicious.
Got a little hint of lemon, garlic. Pasta. Tastes bright from the lemon. Delicious, guys. Very easy. I hope that you will give it a try. I hope you will let me know in the comments if you're going to give it a try or if you have given it a try. So, happy cooking, friends. I will see you in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now. I think you liked it, babe. What do you think? Good?
Delicious. Give it a shot.